Hello guys, it's time to buy Cardano ADA more and more, my friends, because Cardano ADA is about to make a huge move in the cryptocurrencies market. And I think Cardano is about to make a record in the cryptocurrencies market. You know what, my friends, in the noise possibilities that the Cardano will take a huge pump, will take a recorded pump in the cryptocurrencies history, my friends. So that's why I recommend for all of you to it's time to buy more and more Cardano ADA. And you know what, a lot of people said that Cardano is the future digital gold. Cardano is the future digital gold, so invest more and more in a Cardano, my friends. How much Cardano you hold? You know what, my friends, from the yesterday the price of Cardano is increasing. Every day the price of Cardano is increased 0.1 USD dollar every day. My friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Now 1.23 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano, and other side, my friends, the changes occurring in the Cardano price is positive. The last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week changes occurring in this coin is now positive, my friends. So my friends, now I'm sure about Cardano that Cardano pricing is positive, and you can also see here that the every change occurring in the Cardano is positive, my friends, going positive. So that's mean that Cardano give you profit. If these kind of changes continue in the Cardano, so it's mean that Cardano give you profit. And anybody want profit, my friends? Everybody wants profit. From the price chart, that's clear also that Cardano is in the jumping mood. So my friends, I'm clear that it's time to buy more and more Cardano, my friends, and it's a profit time. Positive 2.1% the price increase in the last 1 week. 1.24 USD dollar is the highest price of Cardano in the market, my friends. So my friends, due to the current changes, due to the current update, I recommend to invest more and more in a Cardano, my friends. Anyways, what do you think about Cardano future? Also share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.